Today, we're diving headfirst into the lush green world of lawn care and comparing the muscle of gas trimmers to the convenience of electric trimmers. We handpicked two of the best-selling trimmers for today's comparison, this gas-powered Echo and this electric Ryobi, both priced around $230 at my local hardware store. So with the price tag reading the same, the real question is, how do these contenders measure up? Stick with us to uncover which type of trimmer provides the most value for your lawn. Let's jump right in. When it comes to muscle, gas trimmers are the heavyweights and are typically more powerful than their electric counterparts. They can handle thick weeds and heavy brush more effectively, making them suitable for large areas or tougher landscaping tasks. These beasts don't tire as long as they're fueled up, giving you consistent power without the fade. But remember, with great power comes, well, heavier equipment. Gas trimmers are equipped with internal combustion engines that are heavier than the electric motors used in electric trimmers. Additionally, the weight of the fuel contributes to the overall weight of the trimmer. Our selected gas model has a power output of just over 1 horsepower and a fuel tank size of almost 13 ounces, placing overall weight of the trimmer around 13 pounds. On the flip side, electric trimmers are the ninjas of landscaping. They're quieter, lighter, and thanks to tech advancements, pack enough punch for regular lawn care without waking the neighborhood. Our selected electric model is equipped with an 18-volt brushless motor, a battery rated for 6 amp hours, and weighs in at just over 10 pounds. This 2-pound difference may not sound like much, but over a long period of time, your arms may notice this 15% reduction in weight. Electric trimmers are generally less powerful than gas models. However, advancements in technology have significantly improved their performance, making them adequate for small to regular lawn maintenance tasks. Now let's talk endurance. Battery durability varies widely among models and is influenced by the battery's voltage and ampere-hour rating. More voltage, more amp hours, more runtime. Lithium-ion batteries are the most common in newer models, offering lighter weight and no memory effect compared to older style batteries. This means they can be charged from any level without affecting their maximum capacity. Battery life per charge can range from 20 minutes to over an hour, depending on the trimmer's power consumption and the battery's capacity. The need for one or more backup batteries for larger jobs adds to the cost and requires planning for charging. The overall lifespan of a battery is also a consideration, with many offering several years of service similar to a car. But like all good things, batteries eventually need a replacement. No one loves maintenance, but it's a necessary evil for keeping your equipment in top shape. Maintenance could be a deal breaker for some and is definitely something everyone should consider before buying a lawn care product. Gas trimmers demand a bit more love. The product manual for this gas model recommends cleaning the air filter and cooling system before every use. The manual also suggests replacing the air filter and spark plug every 3 months. Fixing the pull start mechanism can be challenging for some users. On the flip side, electric trimmers stand out for their low maintenance appeal. They remove the need for fuel, spark plug replacements, and air filter maintenance, marking a stark contrast to their gas counterparts. However, they introduce a new maintenance aspect, battery care. Battery-powered models necessitate periodic charging, and the longevity of both the battery and charger hinges on proper storage practices. The reduced maintenance requirements alone can sway the decision for users prioritizing efficiency over raw gas power. So what's it gonna be? Picking the right lawn trimmer for you requires an understanding of your needs, as the decision between gas and electric models isn't straightforward. It essentially comes down to prioritizing what matters most to you: the robust power and consistency offered by gas trimmers, or the environmental friendliness and convenience associated with electric alternatives. Both the Ryobi electric trimmer and the Echo gas trimmer have their distinct advantages and drawbacks, emphasizing the importance of personal preference in the decision-making process. For those faced with managing extensive areas of tough vegetation, the Echo gas trimmer may be the tool of choice, offering unmatched strength and durability. Conversely, the Ryobi electric trimmer stands out for use in small to medium residential settings, where its quieter operation and lack of emissions shine. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of lawn trimmers. If this comparison sparked a thought, or if you have your own experiences to share, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.